Well, journalist Kat Barton has been following today's trial and stepped out of the courtroom a short time ago to tell me how proceedings were going.
The atmosphere in the courtroom, I would say, is one of excitement and anticipation. Today is obviously an entirely procedural trial, but for the first time, people are seeing a senior leader of the Khmer Rouge, in this case Duch, in court, ready to answer questions about their role in the genocidal regime. I think there were many witnesses in the crowd, people who will be witnesses, survivors of Tuol, Sleng, survivors of the Khmer Rouge who were in the courtroom today. And I think for them, this was really a day they had been waiting for 30 years. So, yes, a great deal of excitement this morning.
As you say, a lot of anticipation surrounding this trial. But is Duch expected to cooperate and reveal what went on at the top end of the Khmer Rouge leadership?
He certainly is. In fact, this is his entire defence. I spoke to his defence lawyer, a French lawyer called Khmer Rouge, yesterday, who said that Duch will not contest his personal responsibility, and he's signalled his willingness to explain how the Khmer Rouge were operating and how the system, to his knowledge, was run. And I think that's certainly what victims want to hear. They want answers and they want an explanation about why and how the Khmer Rouge committed the atrocities that they are believed to have.
Indeed. Well, it's taken 30 years to get to this point. Is there much confidence that justice will eventually prevail, particularly for the other four leaders who are now very old and frail?
Well, Duch is the youngest of the leaders in custody. The others are all in their late 70s or 80s. And I think there is a great deal of fear on the part of victims that they may all die because their health is not good. They may die before they ever see the inside of a courtroom and have to answer questions about what they did during the regime. However, this morning, Duch's lawyers, the prosecution at the court raised the possibility of the applicability of a legal concept called joint criminal responsibility, which would mean that were Duch to be convicted for crimes, the other four could be held responsible as part of a joint criminal enterprise, which could potentially expedite the delivery of justice in Cambodia.